Jainism, the last and the 24th. Hello, Jainism, the last and the 24th Tikra of the Jains. Vardhaman Mahavira also spread his message around this time. 2500 years ago, he was a Kshatriya prince of the Lichavis, a group that was part of the Vajis Sangha, about which you read in chapter 6. At the age of 30, he left home and went to live in the forest for 12 years. He led a hard and lonely life, at the end of which he attended enlightenment. He taught a simple doctrine: men and women who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. They must follow very strictly the rules of ahimsa, which means not hurting or killing living being. All beings, said Mahavira, long to life. To all things, life is dear. Ordinary people could understand the teachings of Mahavira and his followers because they used Prakriti. There were several forms of Prakritic used in different parts of the country and named after the region in which they were used. For example, the Prakriti spoken in Magadha was known as Magdai. Followers of Mahavira, who were known as Jainis, had to lead very simple lives, begging for food. They had to absolutely honest and were especially asked not to steal. Also, they had to observe celibacy, and men had to give up everything, including their clothes. It was very difficult for most men and women to follow these strict rules. Nevertheless, thousands left their homes to learn and teach this new way of life. Many more remained behind and supported this, who become monks and nuns, providing them with food. Jainism was supported mainly by traders, farmers who had to kill insects to protect their crops, found it more difficult to follow the rules. Over hundred of years, Jainism spread to different parts of North and India and to Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The teachings of Mahavira and his followers were transmitted down in the form in which they are presently available at the palace called Vallabhi in Gujarat. About 50,000 500 years ago,